Hi guys, I'm Misty and welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are watching my video for the first time, how are you guys? And please keep on updating me on your preparations with CLAT. How is it going? Do you have any problems and stuff? So coming to my updates, I've been doing my quants very well for these few days because I've not been posting videos because I was a bit, into my studies, and I did my quants well, and I am updated with the current news through my newspapers, and I also tend to improve my English through my newspapers. And about the two mocks that I've given, which is why I was so tired that I couldn't make a video. So my first mock in the sense the AIOM was really good. Like, it was a bit difficult, but for me I felt like it was easy, so I got like 70 on that. And the next mock, which was CLAT mock 40 of Legal Edge, it was a bit difficult because GK was very baseless. The topics were not known from my side, and those topics are not that important. So it was very baseless. उससे मेरा marks कम गया, so I got like 55, and these are very bad marks. My marks keep on fluctuating. I don't know why still now. So yeah, and I've been doing my logical reasoning. I've been going through my basics again. I've been doing my legal sectionals, but the only thing that I've not been doing is from the 2 days, and even today was my GK. I will be revising GK today, I hope so. And the mock section was, it was good. The mock was good. It was a bit difficult, and I think that if I practice these kinds of difficult mocks, it's gonna help me to do CLAT better. And about the doubts that people had, one person asked me about the legal part कि legal कैसे नहीं हो रहा है, क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. He's that person is getting like a bit of low score in legal, so I'd suggest you to read the questions properly, because obviously the questions are the main part of legal, and also the passage. But if you just skim through the passage properly, I think that you will be able to understand the gist of the passage. But the most important thing in legal, while doing legal, that is your questions. Read the questions properly, and if you get confused between two options, जो कि मेरे साथ भी होता है, तो आई सजेस्ट यू दैट द वन which has a more legal words or text. Choose that, or which is resonating with the question and also the passage more. you know there might be two, reasonable options, but you need to choose one. And just remember this, that no option is the correct option. You have to choose the least wrong answer option. Okay. One YouTuber told that, तो same dialogue मैं भी मार रही हूँ कि no answer is the totally correct answer. You have to just choose the least wrong answer option. And in legal, if you get an option where there are more legal wordings, more legal explanations, then I would suggest that you go for that. And the second question, that was about time management. There are only 20 days left, 20 or 19 days. So I'd suggest you do the sectionals, or if you don't want to do the sectionals, then do every mock, like do mock every day actually, because I've not been doing mock every day. I didn't give a mock today. Probably I'll give a mock tomorrow at my home itself. So you should just, attempt sectionals at least if you are not attempting mock. And if you are not attempting sectionals, then you should attempt mock. दोनों में से एक you have to attempt. And the second thing is, keep on practicing cons, which is really a marks booster for CLAT, I think so, because it's a sure shot mark opportunity. If you get like the whole thing, then you're gonna get 6 on 6 or 12 on 12. That is what I suggest, that do cons every day and revise GK every day. I would say that the notes that you have been making so far, just keep on revising that, and I think also gonna do that. So yeah, I hope all of the questions are cleared. And another thing is, some people are asking me that how much months am I preparing for. So I would like to update on that. I've been preparing for 6 to 7 months, but I couldn't study for my personal reasons for like 1 to 1.5 months. So वो छोड़ के if you see then I'm studying for 5 to 5.5 months and now I'm here. I don't know, I'm very anxious about CLAT because it's just knocking on the door and I feel that जो होगा देखा जाएगा. It doesn't matter, to be honest. I will be happy getting into just a good NLU. I know that I'll be able to catch up. So I just hope that everyone does good and even I do good. Obviously, मैं थोड़ा सा selfish हूँ, so obviously I want my good, obviously, and I hope that everyone does good, like everyone watching my videos. So yeah, and yeah, that's all. That's all that I want to say today. And if you have any queries, just comment and I'll surely look it up into the next video. And also subscribe, like, share and comment. Tata, bye bye.